Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane to practice our throwing skills. Are you guys ready? Let's go! All you're going to need is a sheet of paper. First thing that you're going to do is to fold the paper right in the middle. Open the paper again, and now you have to lead the corner of the paper right to the middle. Repeat the same fold on the other side. Repeat the same process again in each side. You will fold the airplane again in the middle. And to make our wings, we have to lead one side of the paper until the end of the base. Repeat the process on the other side. Now our airplane is ready to fly. Now it's time to use your imagination and paint your airplane. You can play by yourself and see how far you can throw your airplane. Or you can make a competition against one of your parents. First thing that you have to do is to define the airport zone. Then you will compete to see how many times you can throw the airplane on the airport. Each time you throw the airplane right in the airport, you score 1 point. Or an easy way to play it is to score a point every time you cross the airport line.